I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. This is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory topics impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can stay engaged. Biden signed the government funding bill to prevent a shutdown, but the debt ceiling crisis still looms. Earlier this week, the U.S. House of Representatives and U.S. Senate both approved a short-term funding bill that keeps agencies open through early December and staves off a potential partial government shutdown. However, Congress is still working on raising the debt ceiling, which needs to be done before October 18th, when the U.S. Treasury says it will run out of money. There is, however, optimism earlier this week that there is close to a compromise between Republican and Democratic leaders that would suspend the debt ceiling until the end of December. On the infrastructure and reconciliation packages, there's still a lot up in the air. Democrats and the White House are now looking at decreasing their original $3.5 trillion package to around $2 trillion in an effort to try to court support from Senators Kristen Sinema and Senator Joe Manchin. At the same time, the vote on the bipartisan infrastructure package has been delayed once again, as continued to try to be support for the reconciliation package. ISSA is currently and will continue to lobby and advocate on key provisions of both those bills, which are of huge concern to the cleaning industry, such as the Healthy Workplace Tax Credit, Employee Retention Tax Credit, and many others. And lastly, save the date for ISSA's 2022 Clean Advocacy Summit, the signature event for ISSA and our industry leaders. It will take place on March 30th and 31st in Washington, D.C. as part of National Cleaning Week. It will give participants the opportunity to get up to speed on pressing policy issues and for industry to help sharpen their advocacy acumen. Attendees will also get the unique opportunity to apply their new knowledge and skills by meeting with congressional delegation to advocate for clean on Capitol Hill. This was your Cleaning is Essential, 3 things you need to know for the week of October 4th. If you would like to receive ISSA's legislative and regulatory free email newsletter, go to issa.com/takeaction and sign up to become an advocate for clean today.